Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix that problem you have or figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Wikipedia app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list and all you have to do, you just go down here and you click on apps. So then it's going to take you to apps list. Then you just go down here to looking for Wikipedia app here, just go down here. So when Wikipedia show for you, then you just click here on Wikipedia here, then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on first stop and you click here on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage, come to storage list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on clear cache. So then you just go to your Play Store. I'm going to click on my Play Store here. So then you search for Wikipedia, it's going to show for you like this. Click, you will find here updates, so just click on it, then it's going to fix with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.